It's snowing. Crazy snowstorm outside right now. Barber's thing.
I had the insurance come look at it today. I got my mom's Infinity.
Screwed, my car's gonna get stuck. My mom's still gonna yell at me. Jarrett, you're not a model, you're a doctor. What are you doing with your hair like that? You can't look like Sergio Carvajal. Okay, Mom, you're right. Moms are always right. The key is to stay fast. You have to go fast and skate and counter steer. If you go slow, you're gonna get stuck. Especially if you don't have a big truck with four-wheel drive. Another car that's stuck in the middle of the street. He's trying to push himself. Oh my God. Oh. You just gotta go fast, that's all you gotta do. This guy's just chilling in my lane. Middle of the street, red light, this bus is backing up, and I have to make a right turn and go up that street, and it's completely blocked. FML. FML. It's the back of the bus, going through a red light, and everyone else is reversing it. The only way to get up that hill is to fly up the hill with a lot of momentum. Maybe I should just find an alternative. I never park my car in the garage, but I aim to park it here tonight so I can get to my 24-hour shift tomorrow. Crazy. Wow, there was like 15 cars pulled over. Oh my God, I made it. Things that you will do for a haircut. Snow everywhere. Look at this crazy shenanigans. It's cold. It's probably one of the last snows I'm gonna see for a while.